How to factory reset on Oppo device. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset on any kind of Oppo devices. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here first of all you just need to go to settings on your device. After going to settings, here you just need to scroll down. You just need to scroll down and you have to go to about phone section here. Okay, just go to about phone and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here if you don't get the factory reset option on Oppo device, then if you get here then you will get here, and if it is not available here then just go back. Okay, so now here after going back, what you can do is that you just need to click on this search bar on the top. You can see, simply tap on search bar and then here you have to write factory reset. Factory, if it is not available then just write reset. Okay, you can see here you will get all the features here. So you can see erase all data, factory reset. Here this is the one, simply tap on it and then you can see reset network setting, reset system settings only, reset, erase download apps and their data, and erase all data. So you can choose anything. If you want to go for network, just go for network settings. If you want to go for system settings, like your device, only device settings, then you can go for the second one. And the third one is download, your application which has been installed by you will be deleted. And third one is, the last one is will be everything will be deleted. So this is how you can get the factory reset on any kind of Oppo devices. Thanks for watching.